Hi everybody, welcome again to my channel. Hello my little darklings. Today I'm going to be opening the Supreme Halloween Jeffree Star mystery box. I'm so excited. I just got it yesterday evening. Sorry I don't have any makeup on. I was out at a concert last night, going out again tonight to an event. We're in a new location here. This is my living room and it's on my coffee table here, so we have more space to open this huge box. I got it in medium here. So excited to open this. See what's inside here. So we've got this black wrapping here. Ooh, I see something neon. Ooh, what's that? Put the wrapping on. Ooh. Ah! Oh my gosh! It's the neon, like, tracksuit. I've been wanting a tracksuit. I kind of wanted the black one, but I'll take the neon. Like, I wonder if it would be cool if it glows in the dark. It's got the pants here. Awesome. Yep, it's medium. Yay. It came here really fast. I was so surprised. And it's got the top too. The jacket. Wow, this is amazing. I like the black one better, but this one is nice. Ooh, sweet. I've wanted a tracksuit for a long time from Jeffree. This is pretty cool here. Looks like it's all good quality. It's a medium. Yeah, it looks like no damage or anything. Yay, I'm so happy. What else? There's some green packaging here. I love Jeffree Star's packaging. It never fails. The mini breaker. I have one of these. I could do a giveaway. Let me know in the comments below if you'd like me to see a giveaway, or I could sell it, and I don't know. I have this one already. I love it. I love the purples in it. I could open it, but I'm not going to touch it or anything because I'm going to be giving this out or selling it. Yep, it's beautiful. Love these purples. All of the colors here. That's pretty cool. Okay, we have the Halloween lipstick here. Oh, look at the packaging. Zombie Kiss. This one I'm definitely keeping. I love purples. Purple is my favorite color. You can see back here is my mandalas, my couch here. It's all gothic and spooky. Got my pillows. Let me know if you want me to do an apartment tour here. Please like and share and comment and subscribe if you like my videos. Ooh, it's all purple and sparkly. Cool, let's swatch it here. Ooh, this is really pretty. I really like this one. It reminds me of Kat Von D's Everlasting Glimmer Veil lipstick. I have the purple one, but I'm going to compare the two, and I really like this shade here. This is really nice. Zombie Kiss, yes. It's got the little orange and black there. That would be cool if this part was orange and black too, but he probably didn't have enough time to make a new component. Got that neon here. Oh, look at, I do not have this one. Love Me Not. I don't have the Blue Blood lipsticks collection. This is amazing. I don't have the Blood Sugar, this red collection. I have the Blue Blood one, the lipsticks. This is beautiful. Got doll parts, Calabasas, Wifey, Watermelon Soda, Anna Nicole, Prom Night, Red Rum, Unicorn Blood. This is amazing, this box. I'm glad I splurged for the Supreme one. Really happy with this. We have a lip scrub too. Which one is it? Cucumber mint. Ugh, yeah, cucumber. I tried this in the Morphe store and I was not a fan, so I'm gonna be like doing a giveaway for this one too. Let me know if you'd like me to do a giveaway, or I could sell it. I don't know. I'm not a fan of cucumber. Like, ugh. Put that back. I'm not gonna touch it or anything because I'm not gonna keep it. And we have a lippy here. Yummy. Ooh, cool. I was gonna get this one when it launched, but I didn't buy it. I'm glad I didn't. Cool. I am so happy I got purple. How did they know? Swatch it. Ooh, this one's really sheer. It's like a topper. It's like glittery and sheer here. Yeah, don't break it. Keep it down low. Yeah, you can kind of see it here. Ooh, there's a lot in here. Oh my goodness. I'm just looking. I'm like, wow. What is this? Oh, it's a lip pencil. I have like the black one, Weirdo, and I have the Breakfast at Tiffany's one. This one is Anna Nicole. Yay, it'll go good with the lip set. I've heard a lot of people they haven't gotten theirs yet. I'm so surprised. Like I got so fast. And Nicole, let's swatch it here. I love this packaging. Cool. It's kind of orangey bright. It's amazing. Cool. I am not disappointed at this so far at all. Supreme Frost. Which one? Caramel Kiss. Cool. I have the one Candy Apple Drip. And I don't know if this is too dark for my skin tone. Maybe not. Maybe I could use this. I think it would work well. This is so pretty. Right here. Ooh, pretty. Gorgeous. Yay! It's like Christmas. We've got more here. Wow. We have another lippy Venus Flytrap. Cool. I don't have this one. I have like the crocodile tears. This is cool. Could do an ombre, like this on the outside and this in the middle. Cool. I like it. Awesome. Pretty. I haven't worn like a bright green lip before, but I'm always open to like trying new colors, trying new things. Got an orange straw here. Yes. This is amazing. Cool. I love Jeffree's straws. I have the black version and the pink version. I'm gonna take this one tonight. Be careful I don't lose it. Slide it out here, and it's got the little cleaner in here. Cool. That's awesome. The Jeffree Star logo here. It's in gold. Let's see that. Great. Step back here. Oh wow. I got a record. Oh my gosh. I've never had one of his records. I'm gonna hang it on the wall. This is amazing. It's got the little card inside. Cool. I don't have a record player. I used to collect records when I was younger. I'm not gonna open this. Like just keep it in there. It says Prom Night. And there's a remix Prom Night. It's a black and orange. Yay! And last but not least, here's the mirror. Yay! Awesome. It's the orange one. I also ordered the black base with the orange detail. Let's get the sticker off. And I got the t-shirt too, so that's gonna come separately. The zombie can't relate t-shirt. an orange mirror. Yay! Awesome. So that's everything in the box. I am not disappointed. Yay! Just gonna be selling the mini breaker and that lip scrub cucumber mint. So if you want me to do a giveaway, just link it in the comments below. I haven't done a giveaway on this channel, but get willing to try it out. See how that goes. So I am so happy with this box. So see everything we got. This is a huge like mystery box. I'm so happy with it. And I'm so happy with everything I got here. Yay! This is really amazing. Cool. Try this tracksuit on. So, give you an idea what was in the Supreme subscription box, Supreme Halloween mystery box. So, I hope everyone has an amazing day and is getting all spooky for the Halloween season. And wish everyone a great weekend. And I will see you on the next one. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment below if you like my content. And I will see you on the next one. Bye, my beautiful darklings. Bye.